Most men don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they never trained their discipline. Here are 10 habits that slowly, quietly turn a broken routine into an unbreakable mind. 1. Wake up before excuses are born. The way you start your morning decides how much control you'll have over your life. 2. Train your body, especially on days you don't feel like it, because comfort is the voice that keeps you small. 3. Control your tongue. Strong men don't talk about the future, they build it. 4. Finish what you start. Motivation will leave you. Discipline will not, if you stay loyal to it. 5. Delay pleasure. Say no to easy escapes, so you can say yes to respect. 6. Protect your focus. Every distraction you allow takes a piece of your strength. 7. Sit with discomfort. Don't run from hard days. That pain is shaping you. 8. Respect your time, because every wasted hour is a vote against the man you want to become. 9. Reflect every night. Ask yourself, where did I grow today? And where did I lie to myself? Slow breath. 10. Never quit on yourself. Not when it hurts. Not when you feel alone. Because self-discipline isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself. It builds you quietly until one day, nothing can break you.